Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly hit that subscribe button, like, comment and share. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to view our content. Thank you so much. So today we're gonna be making a smoothie that took me from a size small to a size large. I was 48 kgs before. Right now I'm at 58 kgs. All this weight I've gained within 2 weeks. So I'll be sharing with you what I used. Again, it made my skin glow because as you can see, my skin is glowing. Yeah, it cleared my hyperpigmentation. I had hyperpigmentation. It's all gone. Now it's glowing. So if you want to learn more, stick around, subscribe, like, comment and share. Let's do this. guys, if you have followed the whole process of making the smoothie, I know you are all learning, and this is what I'll be consuming. It will give you a very nice glow. As you can see, my skin is very bright and it's glowing thanks to the turmeric. It has so many beneficial factors to the skin. Also, oats will help you add weight, so the weight factor again is catered for. There are so many health benefits from this smoothie. Carrots will make your eyesight better, so the benefits are so many. So enjoy this smoothie thrice a week, or for faster results every day. It will be much faster for the results to be seen. So if you make this in plenty, make sure you store in a fridge, because if you don't have a fridge, it will go bad. So if you just want small portions every day, just make what you can consume. So I'll be enjoying this. I hope you've learned. If you have, kindly subscribe, comment, like, and share. If you're gonna try this out, let me know in the comment section, and let's engage. So let me enjoy this. Cheers.